Hey friend, it's Octavia Klein. Welcome either to my channel or welcome back to my channel. If you're coming back, thank you for watching again. And if you're new, welcome, and make sure to hit that like button, okay? So today I'm going to teach you how to create a reel in Instagram. Now, many people have done this in so many different videos, but one thing I'm going to show you today that's a little bit different is I'm going to show you how to edit a reel in Instagram using a horizontal video. So I like to shoot my videos horizontal so that I can use them both on YouTube and on Instagram. And in general, if you're gonna cut together, let's say you're even just taking video of your family, your vacations and things like that, if later on you wanted to create a family movie and project it on a screen, you don't really want it to be vertical like this on a TV screen. You want it to be horizontal so it really fills in the whole screen. So you can shoot a video horizontal and you can crop in for the vertical if you want to do a reel or something quick for social media. So today I'm going to show you how to edit a reel in Instagram using horizontal videos. It's going to be pretty cool. If you want to check out, I have a free guide below of all of the equipment that I use, the things I use for professional photography, for iPhone photography, for smartphone photography, my lighting equipment and all those things. If you're like, I wonder what Octavia's using to make herself light up so great over there, you can grab that guide below. It's free. It's in the links below in the comment box. I have a lot of other guides in there as well, some things about the 5 steps to branding yourself online. So if you're somebody who's new and wants to make a really amazing presence online, that's a great place to start. So grab that guide below. It's absolutely free for you, and we're gonna get started right now. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go ahead and open up the Instagram app, hit this plus sign on the bottom and hit reel. I don't want to use these photos and the videos that are right here. I want to use some that I actually pre-made a folder earlier within my Photos app on my phone of all my vacation pictures from my recent vacation to Monarch Beach Resort. So I'm going to go ahead and click the bottom left button and on recent, and now I can get to all of my folders. I'm going to scroll down to the folder. This is Monarch Beach Resort, and then in here, if I just hit one of these videos, it's only going to bring that one video over into Instagram. So I want to click multiple videos. So I'm going to hit this little button on the top right, and I'm going to click several videos that I want to use for this reel. Perfect. Now I'm going to hit next. And now it's giving me some suggested music. I'm going to go ahead and go with their suggested music just because I already know this is going to be the exact same time length of my video. If I go and try to find music, sometimes a lot of the music is only 5 seconds or 20 seconds or 15 seconds. I know that they're suggesting something that's the same length as this reel, so I won't have to double the music, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and push this little button on the right, and now right here in this very beginning, I'm just gonna enlarge. So I just took my fingers and I grabbed the screen and I made it bigger. And now I can click edit video. And now what I'm gonna do, now I've sized it, right? But now I wanna reorder the video a little bit. So I'm kind of trying to figure out where I want this to begin. I'm gonna hit the reorder button on the bottom. And here I can now move some things around. So what I wanna do is put this all in the right order. So I'm gonna put this beach one at the beginning. Actually, we'll put this hotel one in the beginning, then the beach, this other beach one, then the pool, and then the spa. Now, there's a certain order of the spa. There's me going to the spa itself, and then me getting the facial, and then we'll end with me at the sunset. So that's like, basically I'm telling a story here, right? So I'm going to hit done, and what I could do is I can then play this and see how it looks.
I don't need no negativity around me. High frequency. I'm talking higher G-O-D. Yeah. Good energy. I don't need no negativity around me. High frequency. I'm talking higher G-O-D.
And this is looking pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit next. And now I can edit my cover photo, I can write my caption, put my hashtags, and either go ahead and save this as a draft or go ahead and share it. So that's how you edit a reel in Instagram using some horizontal videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.